Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everybody is really doing well. Apologies for delay. I was just literally waiting for, I was just setting up my OBS. There was some issue actually, and now it's done. Well, guys. How's everyone doing? I hope everybody is really doing well. And the BTC plan. Uh, where is the guy? Where is the guy? He was right, and he was telling me continuously that yesterday that what if the C wave is in. I also mentioned the last. I hope that the C wave is not in. If C wave is in, everything is gonna dump. If USD dominance start breaking the bull flag, exit the whole longs, and that's exactly how it played out. I personally took a long on ETH, and when I went to bed at night, I closed it for like 18 to 20% profit. I think it was 21% profit overall, and which was really good. And I mentioned 1606 is your invalidation. Anything under 1606, and we are going to tank straight down towards 1541. So now let's go without wasting further time. Let's go to our charts for ETH and the way it played out. So this is the chart for Ethereum, guys. The 1541 level was tested, and this is the next plan that I have for Ethereum. Well, if you can see here, what I am seeing for ETH is we had this wave one on the downside. This was the wave one. We had a move on the upside for the wave two. Okay, and after that, a sharp move downside, which is not was is most likely we are in the wave three. What happened and how happened? This is how I am seeing that the market did previously as well. A sharp move on the downside, a little bit of accumulation, further breakdown, and a pump up, then again move downside like this, and then we start going to go up. A similar kind of move, a price action I'm expecting, and that's exactly known as a 5 waves down. A clear 5 waves down. Possibility is there that this might be just wave one of three. Suraj, you are absolutely right. This might be wave one of three. There is always a possibility, but, and I'm not denying the fact that this is bullish, or I'm not denying the fact that this is very bearish. No, we are not going to just be like bull or bear. No, we're just going to trade the levels. So right now, what I'm expecting, I'm looking to short for scalp like 1578 with my manual invalidation around 1618. The take profit targets are going to be of the lows around 1522. Anything under that, and you literally go and take profit. That's what you want to do, guys. And after that, I am expecting a little bit a push up to sweep up the high somewhere around 1580, $1570, and then one more move down towards 1460. That is going to make sense to me, in my opinion. So, ladies and gentlemen, for now, I would say we are in the downtrend. So let this downtrend finish. Today is Friday. Friday, we already have seen that how Friday has proven Asia dumped very hard, and London is accumulating. I think New York is most likely going to some sort of a continuation on the downside. So be slightly careful if you are literally looking to long at those levels. Why? Because USD dominance literally pumped up and it broke out of this bull flag. Remember yesterday, what did I mention? I just want to see this USD dominance go and retest one more time these levels, and once we have this, it is going to be a big move on the side. However, if we literally start breaking this bull flag, exit everything, and that's exactly what it happened. I personally, my expectation was USD dominance from USD dominance was just one more move down, and then pump would have been very nice. But hey, we don't get everything we want. So similarly, oh my god, 120 million margin call. Damn. Who had that margin call actually? Looked like a big fish got wrecked. Now look at the total, guys. I think we'll be discussing about total is once we break down, the first level for total is going to be $940 billion. $940 billion. And honestly, this is the bare minimum target. And till we don't reach it, we are not safe. I won't say that the bottom is in. No. So we're going to sweep these lows, and once we sweep it, we will see some sort of a relief bounce. So wait for this level $940.6 billion to hit. Once we sweep it, we're just going to have a push on the upside, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Talking about the total too, a lot of people were criticizing me on the harmonic that I was having for total two. They were like, this harmonic is blah blah shit, it's not valid, and blah 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 blah. But what happened? Now this harmonic played very nicely, perfectly rejected from the range lows. We did not even sweep up the highs. So now what do we have here, ladies and gentlemen? 18.5 is on the way, possibility is there, and maybe even 17.5. But as I mentioned yesterday, there are two options. If we literally go in zigzag, then 18.5 is going to be our bottom. But if we go straight, bearish impulsive move, like a big downside impulsive move without any zigzag, it's like a boom, flat down, then it's not going to stop even on 18.5. It's just going to keep on dumping till 11.8k, guys. So minimum 13.8 and then 11 point something. But right now, total 2 is again hitting the biggest level of support at $550 billion. So let's see how are we going to hold. I would like to see, I would just like to, I would just like to see like this, as you can see, 550 billion is a very crucial levels, ladies and gentlemen, very crucial levels. $550 billion, $550. This $550 billion is a very crucial. Yeah, of course, you should not listen to the haters, but yes, you should listen to them because they have the point. If they say that, if they say something, they criticize you, take it positively and try to improve. That's what I do daily basis. A lot of people might tell me why I'm not active on Twitter, because it's very toxic at these days. Actually, people post shits and I don't know what all, but it's very toxic, and I feel like it's not very much healthy thing for me. So at this moment, I'm just focusing more on World Wealth Group and the Discord and you guys. So thank you so much. But honestly, I read all the messages whenever people say that your shit, your trades are shit, or your analysis is shit. Okay, I try to keep on analyzing myself that what is going wrong, where am I wrong. Remember, finally, I am also a human being like you guys. So as a human being, yes, I can say that practically that helps me improve myself. And as a human being, yes, I will be wrong at some point of time and at many point of time, but definitely I'm just going to keep on moving and grinding. Finally, the hero is who going to stand there forever. That is what the hero, that the person is going to be. Bear market, many people vanished. I am still here, and the Wall Street Group is still here. We are there. Okay, so inshallah, and we're going to be there. And it's okay. It's okay. Remember, if a lot of people are jealous, it means that you are progressing. It's okay. I'm here to guide you. There are 160 people on this live stream right now, and it's just that even if I'm able to change a one person life, my target is achieved and I'm done. That person is going to help me daily. I get 5 to 10 messages, thanking messages, and I don't even want anything from you guys. I don't need single penny from you. Nothing. Okay, whatever I do is I just do. And even if you don't want to use my Bybit referral link, you don't want to trade it, that's fine. MashaAllah. My God is there, my Allah is there. He's going to give me. I expect from Him. I don't expect from anyone. If He wants to give, He's going to give me kalas in one trade. If He wants to take, He will take it from me in just one trade. So I always ask from Him, and I just want you guys to even practice this. Expect from God or whoever you believe in. Expect from Him, not from the humans. Because finally, humans are just like a Mario in a Super Mario game. The remote control is there with someone else who is going to control Mario. So, who is superior? Mario is superior, or the person who is running Mario? You just need to understand something like that. Okay, so thank you so much for your support, guys, and your love, and keep on showering your love and support. Thank you. Well, let's have a look at the total too, guys. Remember, this level 550 billion is a very crucial level in my opinion. And what I'm going to tell you is, if we start breaking or losing 550, guys, we're going to test 2018 highs, which is $475 billion. Hence, I would say be cautious, be very cautious till we are very much alive and above 550 billion. We are good. But once it lost, alas, it's not going to stop. It's just going to keep on dumping. Okay, be cautious. Talking about the USD dominance, we swept the highs, meaning that the move overall move is done. But we look at from the perspective of the daily time frame, and if you look at from the daily time frame, this is the kind of accumulation I'm now. Honestly, if I have to tell you, there are two possibilities here, that this whole move is some sort of an accumulation, and we going to a little bit of manipulation in price somewhere around these levels. And once you see a manipulation, price is good, very interesting buying opportunity, and maybe one more shocking downside. Now this is very, very, very bullish. This chart is very bullish. It's bearish for USD dominance, but it's very bullish for the overall crypto market cap. You know, so practically, this is something. The USD dominance chart is something you should never ever ignore. Yesterday, I was telling again and again, whatever the trades you take it, but keep your eyes on USD dominance bull flag. Once that USD dominance break out of the USD bull flag, exit everything, all the longs. Don't even wait for it. That's exactly how it happened. This is going to be very, very bullish. I'm repeating again and again. Everybody is going to keep on waiting for 20k, 18.5k, and maybe even 17k. And this fucker don't give a shit about 18.5 and 17k. It just do something like this, a manipulation followed by a very nice big reversal. And I think this is very, very likely, you know. Well, in my opinion, what I'm watching for the USD is ascending triangle. An ascending triangle structure is very, very valid. In fact, if you see here, the ascending triangle bottom might be in, you know, you have a double top. The move, all the move is three waves: ABC, ABC, and ABC. So hence, what I feel is the move what we are watching right now is some. You look at the move on the downside, A, B, C. Look at the move on the upside, five waves up, A, B, and again impulsive move C. And now look at the move on the downside. It's again A, B, and now we are having five waves move on the downside for the wave C. You know, and trust me, if this is playing out, it's gonna fuck everyone. Again, the whole market is going to go very bullish, very, very bull. And that's going to create a huge liquidity in the market. So, what is going to happen is, once we start losing the levels, what levels are we talking about, guys? Can and someone tell me that what levels I've already discussed yesterday as well? And I was being very vocal about those levels. What are those levels, guys? Can someone repeat? Anyone? Can someone tell me what levels I was talking about? Anyone? The levels was 22.9 to 23k. That level is a very, very crucial levels. Okay, I am just going to keep my mic closer, my friend. And let us just have a look at the fixed range that where range is. Trend line is head and shoulder. Yeah, that makes more sense. The swing target is 30,000 bucks, guys. This is what the plan and the idea is. So there is a possibility that, let's say, if this whole move is 5 waves, we're going to see the downside move very nasty zigzag correction A, B, and C towards. You can say it can go towards 19 levels or maybe 0.5. And what it does is it just reverses and have another impulsive move towards 30,000 bucks, and from there a downside move. Even this move is a possibility. This is from our very earlier chart. This was the first plan that I have like in 2022. But where is our FP? I think I did Bybit. Ah, here. Sorry guys, getting those. So you look at the chart here, guys. What you're going to watch is the levels. The levels are very clear. 22.9 to 23, very crucial levels. Why? Because it is your January POC, Jan POC, where in January everybody measured the people accumulated, and also it is the I would say February value area low, which is a very crucial, guys. It's like a Feb, January. It's like a January POC plus February value area low. So once the Feb value area low level is lost, you're going to target a January value area low, which is practically sitting at currently 20,600 bucks, and you also have a very interesting equilibrium levels of January around 20,200. Remember, 20,200 is a very crucial level. Why? Because you have January highs around 24,000 and you have January lows around 16,550. So you have January lows, you have January highs, and the equilibrium is sitting currently at, exact amount at 20,235, which also have a very close to our 2022 POC around 19,300 bucks. So it's like this is level is mixed. It's really great levels. I personally like it. Guys, I'm just going to connect in probably 15-20 minutes. If you can stay here would be great. I just got some emergency and I just have to take a call. So I'm extremely sorry, guys. I will be again coming back on this live in just next 15-20 minutes. Okay, thank you. I'm just not going to end the stream, guys.